without you, but that's alright.
Hello everyone. So in today's video we are going to be discussing how to design a responsive admin sign-in page using HTML, CSS, Bootstrap and JavaScript for our e-commerce project. So what we have here is a admin sign-in eShop page, and we have that title and icon here, and we have our logo here, and in a different font we have mentioned hi, welcome to eShop and eShop admins. So here in this page we have a whole different color gradient for our app, for our e-commerce project. So here we have another form saying sign into your account. So this again is divided into two parts, so that means two blocks of column 6 in a Bootstrap column designing, the Bootstrap columns. And here we have our emails, and here we can enter in our email. We have our input field. So before that we have a placeholder here for an example for an email, another image here, and then at the bottom of our page our footer, which will be having another text and another text below that as well. So once I click on this, it's going to open up a Bootstrap module in which our verification process will then start. So what we need to do is enter the verification code which is sent to our email. So that is another part of our admin sign-in process, which we will be discussing in another video. So that is it on how to design a responsive page. I'll be moving on to the code to discuss how we have created this. So this is our admin sign-in.php program page, and we have made it in a HTML format. We have a basic meta tags here, and then we have a title and a relevant style sheet documents and icon for our page. And here, as I mentioned before, we have a new body style. So we have a background color as this value, and then we've given a background image. So here we have a linear gradient, so it's on 90 degrees from our left to our right. It will be changing from the color which we have already set as our background color at 0% of the width of our page to this other color at 100% width of our page. And here we have opened a few divs and a few more, and we have added in our logo on top and mentioned hi, welcome eShop admins. And this is done in a call trail format. So the page still hasn't divided into two parts here, and here it has divided into two. So here we'll have us a part of the page. So here it will be displaying sign into your account, and this has title to class, which we had discussed in a really old video, one of our previous videos, on how the font is different. And here we have our email. So this is another label, and after that label we have an input of the type email, and we have given the name IDE and the class form control. And here we have a placeholder saying example john@gmail.com. and moving down, when we click send verification code to login, it will then start a JavaScript process, admin verification. And otherwise we have back to customer login, which we can program here. All we need to do is say window.location and add the index.php page, so then it will take us directly back to our customer login page. So this is our module for our program which appeared. So we have given it the ID verification module, and it has a module dialog, the module content, and the header named admin verification, and below that we have a close button, and moving down in our body we have the verification code as a label, and we can enter in our code there. That code will has the IDV code. And moving down we have a footer, we have a button to close, and we have a button to verify. So this verifying will start another JavaScript process. So basically we have admin verification, and it will start a different admin verification process in this page. So that is for our next video, which we'll be discussing. So this is it for this video on how to design a responsive admin sign-in page. Thank you for watching.